Trying to understand every single word while listening to English is one of the biggest mistake learners make. Even native speakers do not catch every single word in the conversation, especially in noisy places, on the phone, or when people speak quickly. If you focus on each word, you often cannot keep up with the speakers or miss overall meaning. Think about listening to a song. When you try to sing along, do you focus on every single word? Usually you don't. You follow the rhythm, the beat, and overall flow of the song. Even if you miss a few words, you can still continue to singing because you understand the pattern and the feeling of the music. So the big question is how you can improve your listening English skills. In this video, I am going to share with you simple and practical method that can help you understand spoken English more easily. First technique, start listening to English song. Choose any favorable song and listen that again and again. For example, my favorite song is Believer. First thing first, I say all the words inside my head. I often listen this kind of song every day. When you repeatedly listen to same song, your brain start observing the rhythm, pronunciation and flow and sentence pattern much faster. At first, you may not understand every single word, but after hearing it several times, the sounds begin to feel familiar. Gradually, you start predicting the next word and understanding the flow of natural English. Try to sing along with singer instead of listening it only. This practice trains your ears, improves pronunciation and helps your brain recognize natural English automatically. Second technique, watch English news regularly. News channels are one of the best source for your improving listening English. News presenters usually speaks clearly, use proper pronunciation and follow correct sentence structure. So your ears start getting used to natural English. But the biggest benefit is storytelling. Notice how they explain every event step by step, what happened, where it happened, why it happened, and what may happen next. When you watch news every day, your brain slowly learns these patterns of describing situation in organized way. After some time, you will not only understand English better, but you will also start speaking in a clear and more structured manner. Third tactics, practice shadowing. This is one of the fastest ways to improve your English. Choose short English audio or video. Listen it carefully and immediately repeat what the speaker says. Don't just repeat that words. Try to copy the pronunciation, stress, rhythm, and speaking style exactly like the speaker. At the first, you may feel slow or make mistakes, and that is completely normal. The real magic happens when you practice the same audio again and again. Your tongue starts moving more naturally. Your ears become more sensitive to English sounds, and your brain begins to connect listening and speaking together. After a few days, you will notice that some sentences come out automatically without much thinking. This is because shadowing trains your mouth, ears, and brain at the same time. Even 10 to 15 minutes of daily shadowing can improving listening, pronunciation, fluency, and confidence much faster than only studying grammar. So I hope you will follow these three techniques in your future, and I hope you enjoy this video. So please like my video and subscribe my channel. We will meet in the next video with something new concept.